cars lined up down Main Street, everybody feeling that July heat. Bartender pouring for the same old crowd, same two-step, talking too loud. Whiskey's gone, pride is high, ain't nobody here gonna walk on by. Hear that thunder roll outside, sky lights up, no place to hide. Red sparks falling through the smoke, and somebody laughs like it's all a joke. Fireworks in the barroom night, fireworks that start flying right. Fireworks, nobody backs down slow when pride takes over and the good sense goes. Fireworks in a honky-tonk fight on the 4th of July night. Pool balls scatter when the table flips, neon flickers off whiskey lips. Chair hits wood, the room goes wild, like grown men acting like restless kids. Outside the sky keeps lighting the street, like it's keeping time with stomping feet. Every spark falls, last call's gone, and nobody knows what went wrong. Smoke in the lights, fan turning slow, somebody shouting, where did it go? Freedom's loud, but it don't feel free when pride takes over what it's supposed to be. Fireworks in the barroom night, fireworks that start flying right. Fireworks, nobody backs down slow when pride takes over and the good sense goes. Fireworks in a honky-tonk fight on the 4th of July night. For a second it all stands still, broken glass and broken will. Folks around here won't forget tonight. We all know it wasn't right. Fireworks in the barroom night, fireworks, truth in the fight. Fireworks, voices rising high underneath that red wild sky. Fireworks in a honky-tonk fight on the 4th of July night.